Whether you work in the field or office, Punch In Out Timesheet app is the best tool to track accurate work time. The app allows users to eliminate paper time cards and optimize work time management. And here's how it works. Simply punch in and start tracking your work time. The employees are not able to change the location themselves, so the manager sees the real location of each employee. Optionally, you can add a project or job code. Also, optionally, you can add any description of the work. You can add more details at any time. Use the break button to start the break. It will automatically be logged. After you punch out, you can find your shift with all the details and update it. The app saves all the shifts, enabling you to instantly generate the time card. Choose the type of time card report, Excel or PDF, and share it via email or any other way. In the dashboard, you can see the chart of the work time. You can filter it by job code or project and by date. Punch In Out Timesheet app is available for free download at www.snappy.com and can be further 100% customized to specific needs of each company.